Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So, want to learn how to make a strawberry lemonade smoothie? I'll show you how to do it. Delicious and nutritious, full of vitamin C and cooling. Let's do it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice here and a collagen powder. This is collagen protein powder. You can choose to use whichever protein powder and whichever milk that you like. I use plant-based milk, and I love collagen powder because it's great for your hair, nails, and skin. 1 scoop of that. I'm gonna add this whole bag of frozen strawberries. You can use whichever sweetener you like. I'm using honey. You can even use maple syrup, or you can use no sweetener at all. Reason I'm using some sweetness is one, because we have some acidic with the lemon in here. And also, don't forget that when you freeze your fruit, you do lose some of the sweetness from it. So the next thing we're gonna add is some strawberry yogurt. Can't say you're making strawberry lemonade without strawberry yogurt. And we're also then going to add next lemon yogurt. Now I'm gonna add a ball of frozen yogurt. This is optional, but it kind of helps make your smoothie nice and smoothie-like, you know, cold consistency, creamy, as well as like sherbetly kind of look. So I added that there, and we are going to zest our lemon. Now I froze my lemon because it's easier for it to zest when you freeze it. See, like that's quick already. It comes out faster and easier. So that's just a trick for you. So if you ever have like some lime or some orange, you have anything that's zesty, that's a quick way to zest through if you freeze your citrus. See right here? So I'm just gonna add that right here just to kind of give it a freshness. And we're going to blend it. Here's our vitamin content. So we're now gonna blend our smoothie. So let's pour our strawberry lemonade smoothie. Look at that. You see how wonderful and creamy that looks? Pretty. And here are a list of ingredients. So we have our resident taste tester with us, Gio, and he's gonna taste our strawberry lemonade smoothie and let us know how good it tastes.
Well, let's see.
Let's see. Don't you love when he always says that? Let's see. He gives honest comments.
Wow, that's actually really good. Not too much of the lemon flavor, not too much of the strawberry, but just enough to make it taste like a strawberry lemonade. Ooh. And it's not overly sweet and it's not too undersweet. So this would definitely be very nice for a hot summer day after you come in and you're sweating, or after a shower or something like that.
What about after they work out? You think it would kind of like help them?
Oh, for sure, with the collagens in it too.
So let me taste it. That's good. This really tastes like a strawberry lemonade. It doesn't even taste that it's necessarily like, well, since we didn't use real milk, we used plant-based milk, but this is actually really delicious. Do you love blueberries and lemons? We're gonna make a blueberry lemonade smoothie that's gonna cool and refresh you as well. It's cool to make. Come on, let's make it together. To make our blueberry lemonade smoothie, we're gonna go with our almond milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but we use plant-based milk here. Now, all the ingredients and measurements will be in this video for you. Okay, and we're gonna add 1 scoop of our protein powder. You can use whatever protein powder of your choice as well. And then we're going to add, I know it may seem weird, a little bit of lemon juice. Because we are making lemonade, so we need lemon juice. And we're going to add some blueberries as well. Let's add our blueberry yogurt first. And you can use whichever yogurt you choose, Greek, whatever brand is to your liking, to your preference. And now we're going to add our lemon yogurt. Now, being the fact that it is some acid in here, you can choose to use a sweetener of your choice. You can use a stevia sweetener if you're into that, or honey or maple syrup. I'm going to use dates. I'm going to use 3 dates. Okay, so what I've done, because I want my yogurt to be nice and thick, is that I actually took some yogurt that I also froze in these little silicone molds. And if you're interested, I could, drop the link to let you know. But I have lemon frozen yogurt as well as blueberry frozen yogurt. And then this is the best way to kind of get your zest so you don't lose any zesting. So if you take it and you freeze it, now you won't be able to cut it and get the juice out of it, but you will be able to get a lot of zest from it. You see? Look at how the zest comes off really easily. Just by freezing it. Here's our vitamin content. Okay, so I added a little bit more blueberries in it because I just wanted to have a little bit more blueberries. So that's your option. And we're going to blend it. It smells nice and refreshing here because of the lemon zest that we zested. And here are a list of ingredients. So let's pour our smoothie. Look at that beautiful color. So I'm just gonna zest a little bit just to kind of garnish our smoothie with a little yellow. Yeah, just so it could kind of look cutesy. Get a little bit of blueberries here. There we go. Just add a little bit of blueberries for garnish. They're kind of sinking down, but you have an idea. We have the nice little zest on the top of it, and you have the blueberries there. So we have our resident taste tester here, Mr. Gio, and he's going to let us know how this blueberry lemonade smoothie tastes.
Well, let's see.
It at least smells good and refreshing.
Has a very creamy, smooth texture in it, Tastes pretty well like a blueberry lemonade, I'm not gonna lie. With the zest and everything, just brings it all together, and the chunkiness from the blueberries just adds all together for a nice, refreshing drink on a hot summer day.
Okay, let me try it. This is really good. To me, it's a perfect balance of the sweetness that you need. Because when you're hot, you don't want to be with stuff that's so overly sweet, all that sugar. And the zest, Gio's right, refreshes you down, gives you that nice, fresh, and even inside here in our little studio, it smells totally fresh. And that's because of the zest and the blueberries in here with the nice little chunks, and you see the speckles of the blueberry. So good. Lots of antioxidants in here for you, vitamin C. You can't go wrong. Definitely a great pick-me-up in the morning or after a workout. Have this blueberry lemonade smoothie. We appreciate you hanging out with us today. Let me take another sip. We ask you to come back and hang out with us again in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself, and God bless you.